In this video, we're going to show you how to use the 80-20 rule for Claude Code Context Management. When working with Claude Code, one of the most important skills is managing context efficiently. Every instruction, code snippet, file, and conversation consumes part of the available context window that Claude uses to understand your project. Many users assume that providing more information always produces better results. However, this often leads to cluttered conversations filled with unnecessary details that consume valuable context space. This is where the 80-20 rule can be extremely useful. The idea is that a relatively small amount of information often provides most of the value needed to complete a task successfully. Instead of trying to give Claude every detail about a project, you focus on the most important information that directly affects the current objective. The good news is that applying this principle can improve efficiency, reduce context usage, and often produce better responses. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to apply the 80-20 rule to keep Claude Code sessions focused and productive. So, let's get started. The first method is to identify the information that matters most. Before sending a prompt, ask yourself which files, requirements, or instructions are actually necessary for the task. For example, if you're debugging a function, provide the relevant code and error messages rather than an entire application. This keeps the prompt focused on the problem that needs to be solved. Next, remove information that does not directly contribute to the current objective. Old discussions, completed tasks, duplicate instructions, and unrelated files often consume context without providing meaningful value. Eliminating this information helps Claude focus on what is important. Another useful technique is to create concise project summaries. Instead of repeatedly sharing large amounts of project history, maintain a short summary containing key requirements, architecture decisions, and coding standards. This preserves important context while dramatically reducing token usage. As your project grows, periodically review the conversation and determine whether older information is still relevant. If it is no longer needed, summarize it or move it into project documentation rather than keeping it active in the conversation. In most situations, these simple habits are enough to improve context management significantly. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, focus on the small amount of information that is most important to the current task. Second, remove unnecessary context that does not directly contribute to the objective. And third, use concise summaries instead of repeatedly carrying large amounts of project history. Remember that effective context management is not about providing the maximum amount of information. It's about providing the right information at the right time. Applying the 80-20 rule helps Claude spend more attention on critical details instead of processing unnecessary content. This often leads to faster responses, improved consistency, and better overall project performance. A few minutes spent organizing context can save a significant amount of time throughout the life of a project. And that's how to use the 80-20 rule for Claude Code Context Management. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.